What is going on, guys? I didn't show you that, but she was working on that car Saturday. That's the new block right there. Metal shavings, we'll get to that in a second. Yeah, I showed you guys this a couple weeks ago. Timing chain wasn't set correctly. Whole bunch of metal shavings all over the place, but this is the new block. 6.4, if I'm correct. Yeah. 6.4 block, so it's the oil pan, and the oil pan was full of metal shavings. There you go. Look at that. Look at the piston. Audible, but yeah, so all that's gonna go in this car. As you see, nothing's inside of it. So this car was here, I think it's been like 3 weeks now. The car's been here for 3 weeks. We gave the owner some time to see what he wanted to do, and here we are. So we're literally transferring everything over to here.
You know what I'm saying? Give me no motherfucking keychain. You know what I'm saying? Got one part, waiting on one more. These heads about to come off. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's sponsored now. Look at that. Summit hat and everything. You guys also saw a little bit of this. This came in Saturday. Chevy. If you know what this is, you know what it is. So we got big things for this truck. The dash doesn't have any cracks to it, like at all. Unless I'm not seeing one, but yeah, it came with a couple parts. A new fan intake cover with Summit parts. Old gasket that we would throw in the trash. Oh, headliner's pretty good too. Anyways, big things coming for this truck. Ooh, shit. Alright, there we go. C5. Wiley just did a new personal best in this thing actually. Saturday night, we stayed really late. I think like 9. Had it on there, made some good power, made some jam.
That's the last hour.
Nah, I want to see if it's the right one. Looks right. We lit. I'm gonna send this bitch right now. She's crumpled. Just like this. Paint this hoe.
Take the whole car with it.
Oh, I'm gonna give him the paint coat. Yeah, give him the paint coat. They put that shit in the motherfucking system and be like, alright, bet.
This guy came over here.
We're going to drop LS in it. I don't know yet. I got a couple blocks. I got 262s and I got my 416 that I was saving for the C5. So I might put the 416 in it with a set of PRC heads, Holly high rise, water to air cool, 2 twins, one here, one here. It's got a 4L80 transmission on it and a 700 R4 in the trunk. But I also have a V2 6-speed auto trans that I might try to put in it. So we'll see. I don't know. It was just a good enough deal for a truck I've always wanted that I couldn't pass up.
Oh, that's not good.
It's stuck.
Yeah, it's seized up in it. I guess that's why whoever did his brakes didn't do it. Because they couldn't get it off. It should have went to the ground. Hold it there.
Down, right? Okay.
Okay, now pump it.
Pump. Oh, good.
It got hella air.
You ever get these a lot?
What?
These Ford Lightnings?
Nah, rarely. Probably like the third one I've ever had in the shop. One was blue. This one. Yeah, I rarely get them. They're cool though. Growing up, I always wanted one. They're pretty cool. I daily one. It's a pretty clean truck too.
Yeah, it is. Inside's nice too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Inside and out, it's got like rhino. The whole frame is like rhino liner.
Yeah, I saw.
Hit the brake. Let it go. All right.
Didn't I tell you? They in the house, Berto.
Domestic abuse.
6 o'clock.
Right.
Domestic abuse right here.
He knows the basics. He knows how to get through a gearbox. He don't know how to drive a stick.
If he tell me he could drive stick, he need to go out on the highway. Damn, there's no traffic for real nowhere.
He ain't driving my car on the highway. Get that man like FedEx Field or something and just have him fucking open that joint up, and then maybe he can drive back with me in the passenger.
Sheesh, we talking about how capable you
Oh
are.
yeah,
with
yeah,
stick.
yeah. Well, you're the center of the.
What are we talking about? I ain't capable of. I'm not
Nah,
capable
we
of
said
anything.
we said when the day you say you really know how to drive stick, we're gonna take you to the street. It's in Chevrolet. We're gonna test your skills.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
like
we're gonna see what you
it's
got.
like it's like
In
a lot of you not the hill goes like this.
I mean, if you just jump it, you'll get up there.
She said if you just dump it.
I'm
I'm gonna be doing a burnout going backwards. Right.
Finding shit.
She's spinning.
I mean, that shit's drenched too. Look at that. When you go in the top hole. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, well, while they're working on the C7, here's the blower, so let me put this to the side. 103 LT4 Supercharger. So yeah, 2JZ. Anyways, alright, Street Cars video. I was starring
going
on.
next year and I'll fuck this shit up.
So the C7 was being worked on yesterday. He's going to piston and rod it, from what I know. So Wally just has everything ready. Take out the motor. Blower's off. It's right over there. Radiator's out. Fans are out. So we unhooked the meth. That's not meth. I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't know what it is. It might be for the ECU. This one's getting.
On this thing, pistons, rods, came in with the blower, but it's gonna get tuned for the blower while it's here.
Is it possible to get a rundown of what you've done so far?
What? I'm watching Trading Day at the same time. My bad. We've just been tearing it apart, really. Took the radiator out, the blower, all that stuff off. A bunch of stuff's off on the bottom, a lot of the wiring's out. So we've been really just fighting a few wiring issues. It had like meth put in it previously and stuff. And the wiring's kind of everywhere. It's not bad, it's like if I was working on one that didn't have it, I know exactly where to go and exactly everything to take off. Because I didn't put the system in. Stuff like that just makes it a little bit slower, but had this been like a bone stock C7, it'd have been a lot smoother because we know where everything is bone stock. This one's obviously been modified before it came to us. We're getting there. I mean, pretty much it's just, really it's just I need to disconnect it from the belt housing and maybe one or two minor stuff. It's ready to come out. Stanley always charging, never working. That's Stanley. For everybody that doesn't know, that's Stanley.
Right though, look, yeah.
So me and Chi have all these like snap-on lights, right? He has a Stanley light that he swears to us it's way better. We overpay for these. They're not good. His light is better. But I want you to take note. Can you zoom in? What light is he using over there right now?
Snap on?
Yeah, my snap-on light, right? So I gotta go get, because my other one's out on repair, and I gotta go get cheese to use now. But then I want you to observe what is Stanley doing currently. It's what he does.
Charging?
24 hours, 7 days a week in the shop, charging. That light battery don't last longer than 30 seconds. Stanley checking out. He's like, all right, I'm gone for the day. Thank you, put in my time. It's been great, guys.
Oh, you gonna do it right now? No way. You won't. You won't. Oh, shit. We just ripped the John's Accord.
Chill, me. Y'all gonna see that shit on YouTube like, I didn't know it could do that. Oh, we out of here, squad. Pretty good handbrake. I didn't know it was that good. I know it's good. I was testing it that time. Watch this next into traffic. John's gonna be like, oh, we got liability on that bitch.
Oh, we good.
don't know if we got enough power to do it out the holder.
Oh shit!
Oh, they're closed! No! Damn! This is the worst. Damn, guess that plan's canceled.
At least you know John's car can drift.
Right. Yeah. Not with these new That was a good one. Apex.
Let's not tell anybody about this. Do it on YouTube.
Yo, Doug gonna be sick. Watch this. She didn't even hear it. We did all that for nothing.
Alright. Oh shit.
Hey, let's go, yeah.
Yes.
We got there in the gate shot, and then I was about to go to Home Depot.
We're actually in an Accord, so
The motor mounts are too long, so it's catching.
Why won't you come out?
A few moments later.
The clutch is stuck inside the transmission. It's stuck on the output shaft. Oh yeah, it's coming.
Hold on. Let me get a pry bar now. Alright. Let's go back to the corner right now.
Where the other one was?
Yeah, that's cool. Let's do that.
There you go.
What happened was the motor was stuck on the transmission due to the clutch being installed improperly.
so obviously it's a lot of wires, like Waleed has said before. All that oil, so we're gonna clean all of that up. Yeah, it's just a mess really. Alright, cool. Go check out this motor.
Sometimes when you do that, as soon as you start it up, it like melts the clutch into the. This is on the E36s. A bunch of their clutches, people were putting them in backwards and that shit. You go back to